Hi, my name is Justin and I'm with ExcelGainz. This video breaks down how to use the SUMIF formula. So what is SUMIF? It's implied in the name. This function tells Excel to sum if a condition is met, add these up if this criteria is met. And as the user of Excel, you set that criteria. So I put together a few examples. Just say this is a military tracker for their 6 vehicles, and they want to keep track of the gasoline usage in the month of June 2020. So for the first example, it's over an amount SUMIF. This is evaluating column C for greater than 200 usage, right? So if I go ahead and highlight the cells that are over 200, it comes out to 6150, as you see on the bottom right hand side of the screen. The formula works, 6150. Next example is if hits text criteria. So I'm going to open up the formula builder and you'll see the function arguments start off with a range. The range of the cells you want evaluated is column B. We're evaluating the vehicles. That makes sense. Okay, the criteria. I'm looking for quote, tank, unquote. The sum range is the gasoline in column C. So if I'm looking for tank and I highlight the 2 tanks, that's 250. The formula works. It's only if the text tank shows up in column B, exactly that text. The next example is specific letters can show up in column B. So if I hit the formula builder, you'll see quote, asterisk, TA, asterisk, end quote. So what does that mean exactly? It has to contain those characters. So what makes that different than the previous example of 250? This one's 5250. This one's also capturing tank large, because anytime the letters T and A show up sequentially in column B, it will add those. So this one is 5250 with tank classification large tank, while the previous example was just the tanks without the large because it was looking for that text specifically. Okay, the last example. This is another coding trick in Excel. You can put quote, question mark T, asterisk, end quote. So what is that doing exactly? The question mark puts a blank placeholder before a T. So you're saying the second letter is going to be a T. So what did that capture here? Looking at the blue box, it's going to grab stealth bomber and stealth jet, blank T, second letter is T. And just to drive that point home, if I made this any letter, the formula is still working. It's ignoring the first letter and taking the second letter if it's T, amounting to 750, as you see in the bottom right hand side of the screen. Okay, that's how SUMIF works. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Be sure to subscribe if you want more ExcelGainz.